Hello students, this is module 5. This is connected to second part of module 4. For that purpose, first we'll go through module 5. In the module 5 part 1, there will be a maintenance of digital switching system. Under maintenance, you are going to study the software maintenance and interfaces and system error, that is system outage, and impact of software patches and methodology for proper maintenance. So in this video, I will try to cover up to system outage. In the software maintenance, you have two software maintenances. So one is related to supplier and another one is related to the site owners. Supplier initiated software maintenance, it depends on only upgrade of your program. And earlier we studied that there is a base program or generic program. You need to update it, which is related to digital switch, that is maintained by the supplier, and some software corrections. So the correction of that is also under suppliers. Then what may be under site owners means, so it is related to only the routine maintenance action, because first function of switching is nothing but scanning a line, that is routine diagnosis. And whenever subscribers move from one place to another place, you need to update the table, that is translation tables. Whenever the subscribers move from place to place, you need to add a line or trunk to the digital switch. So completely the simple word you need to remember under supplier is upgradation of generic release, and here it is routine maintenance or routine diagnosis by the site owners. The most important question expected in this module is interface of typical digital switching system. So if you have a diagram, you need to remember the diagram. Everywhere the blocks are connected with two-way arrow marks, that should remember. Digital switching system central office. To this you'll be having LCO, that means local central maintenance, and in place with switching control center, that means how to connect and disconnect a subscriber. Then if you want to add extra subscriber, you need maintenance engineering along with ISAC. What ISAC stands for means electronic switching assistance center. And the last is supplier RTAC and TAC. RTAC stands for regional assistance, that is technical assistance center, and inside the switching exchange you need technical assistance center also. How many interfaces are connected to switching system means you'll be having 8 interfaces. We need to start with the first one. It is engineering support. What is engineering support means, if you want to build a new digital switching system, you need to have a proposal. How many number of subscribers has to be added? That means you need to concentrate on CEO plan, traffic department also before put forthing the procedure. So how many subscribers are needed and how many lines are needed for it. And the second one is a billing center. So in the billing center, so we need to concentrate on AMA register. I hope you remember AMA register, automatic message accounting. Whenever the subscriber starts communication, this register will start and afterwards it will stop. That means completely billing is related to billing center. Then security. Of course, the switching system needs security from the other unauthorized calls, so where you need to have security. And whenever you go for ISD and STD calls, you need some translation. So after a translation, you need to update even the tables also. That comes under special translation support. Then you'll be having trunk and line assignment. So here, how many trunks has to be assigned for switching exchange, how many lines has to be assigned for this, that comes under trunk and line assignment. Whenever you are adding and disconnecting it, you need to have traffic department also, concentrate on traffic department. Then if you have coin phones, the coin equipment has to be monitored, how the coins are collected, how the coin equipment is working, whether it needs assistance with the CO, that has to be monitored by this. Even this needs again technical assistance center also. Then the major part of the switching system is customer bureau. Whenever you get some hardware error disconnected from switching system, how to connect it, how to reconnect it, that means usually it is related to customer faults, so our customer problems. The last one is traffic department. Whenever you want to extend an exchange or switching office, you need to concentrate even on the traffic also. So concentrate the same thing depending on the traffic. The same explanation is listed here. In engineering support, you need to write new specification for this, and as I told, you need to concentrate on the supplier engineering department, traffic department and plant department. This includes even new digital switch. Accurate performance has to be given for this. And in the billing center, it is responsibility of AMA register and the customer bills also. And in the security, you need to prevent what? Unauthorized access and fraudulent translations. Special translation, as I told, ISD and STD calls. So this will provide the translation, and even it will give some special services like call routing and trunk translation also. Then in trunk and line assignment, so how to add a line equipment and trunk equipment to the switching exchange, that is completely maintained on the database, because whenever you are adding and deleting the subscriber, your table changes, that means number of subscriber changes. So continuously you need to maintain even the database also. And in coin bureau, coin telephones will employ different instruments. Then it is maintained by the separate department. Special coin collection has to be made. And to solve, suppose it get a particular problem, means it needs assistant with ISAC and SEC also. And the last two, customer bureau mainly depend on only what? Connection, disconnection, reconnection, telephone problems. And it also needs assistant with what? Line and trunk assignment, because whenever you are connecting and disconnecting, the lines and trunk changes, and even it needs assistance from this, and even it is related to database also. The last one is traffic department, where you need to study the telephone traffic, and addition and removal depend only on the traffic of a CO. So you need to concentrate on remembering the interface and need to list out at least minimum 2 points under all 8 interfaces. And we have a small question which is expected for 4 or 6 marks. System outage. What is the system outage and how it impact on the reliability? It is important. What is system outage means? It is actually error, and it may be related to software or hardware error. Generally, system outage refers to a period of time when the system fails to provide its primary function. That means sometimes system cannot provide a primary function. That stage is actually called what? System outage. And most visibly it is depend on the reliability. If it depend on reliability, means of course it affects the maintainability also. Basically it is classified into 4 categories. One is software related, that is software deficiencies, then hardware failure, ineffective recovery, the last one is procedural error. In the software deficiencies, it depend on only on the software errors, that means bugs, we will call it as bugs, which may cause memory errors. And how to recover this means you need to go for major initialization. That means, so remove that software and again reinitialize it. Then hardware error, basically whenever you have communication in one line or two-way communication, hardware error can occur. So how to remove hardware error means, so replace that equipment by a newer equipment. Then ineffective recovery. So this includes failure. Whenever ineffective recovery occurs, the system will be under isolation. That means the fault unit won't work. Whenever you want to upgrade a software, whenever you are removing certain thing, the system will be under isolation. So this actually includes the trouble until after service has been impaired. That means the system will be under isolation until unless you resolve the faults. And the major system outage is due to procedural errors, 40%. The remaining 3 errors individually carry 20% error. These errors are called craft errors or cockpit errors, because this is depending on the incorrect action whenever you are upgrading. So it is not an error. Whenever you want to try to remove an error, so you'll get certain errors. So that means incorrect action during repair. Suppose you want to repair generic basic program and you basically initialize certain different software, means it is incorrect repair. Then growth. So example, assume that your switching system has the capability to have a 100 customer, and you try to concentrate and you try to add 1000 subscriber. So it is depend on the growth. And update procedure, for example, you need to update it to the next version, like that. 40% maximum share is given for the procedural error. If you want your switching system to be enough to be sufficient and reliable, means you need to reduce all these error. Major concentration should be given for procedural error. How to reduce the procedural error? How to reduce procedural error means, whenever you are recovering a system and whenever you are repairing a software, means so you need to have concentration on the basic version of the software. So this is about the topics related to this video. Thank you.